Hello, sir. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing fine, just fine.
Okay. Well, yo, what are you guys doing? I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put it down right now.
Put it down.
Okay.
And just
I refuse to searches or seizures, though. You heard?
We're not searching or seizing.
I don't know why you want me to put my camera down, though. Go ahead. What are you doing?
No, I need your ID.
ID for what? I committed no crime. I didn't break the law, sir. And what crime did I commit?
All right, listen.
Go ahead. Look, I'm going to jail now, my peeps. That's detainment or
It's
jail?
just detainment.
It's just detainment, he said. Go ahead. Do your thing. It's a law, so you put the handcuffs on. Oh, shit. It's a detainment, he said. Yo, what are you doing? Yo. You letting me away from my camera, bro.
Run over here. Stay right there.
He put me in the hood of the car, my peeps. He got me against the hood of the car, and the hood is hot. He's putting the gloves on. He's putting the gloves on. No, go ahead. Put it all over the butt. Stick your middle finger all the way to your butt. Stick your middle finger on my booty. Go ahead. I broke no law, and you violated my Fourth Amendment right by searching me right now.
Okay. What you're doing is not journalism. What you're doing is you're doing this to antagonize. That's exactly what you're doing.
What am I under arrest for?
Right now you're detained.
Oh, I'm still detained.
All right, Conley. Did he come inside here at all?
No.
Mike, we're going to need a statement from you saying that he actually came past.
Listen to me. Did he come in here or not?
Yes.
All right, that's what I want to know.
Came in here, yeah.
All right, now I can arrest him. You know, I got a guy in handcuffs in the back of the car.
You know the deal, right?
No, actually, I've never been through this.
Okay, so basically, doesn't have to be elaborate. Just has to be he came on, past the line where the property line is.
You want the whole scenario, right? Because I called the SEC.
Yeah. Well, no. Just basically, what you need to tell me is where he went to that would actually constitute the trespass.
Where's the guy booth? And he was standing.
We'll leave him in the car right now. I'll leave him in the car right now. He's not going anywhere. I got him in custody. Yeah, he's a what do you call it? Thank you for coming. Sorry. He's one of those recording guys. Yeah, we're gonna charge him with trespass, and he refused to give me his ID and everything. So, yes, thank you. Sorry about that. I know what I had. I was all by myself. I'm like, what the hell is this guy doing?
Yeah, so
He just refused to comply with my order. I'm like, you got ID? He found out the hard way with me. Listen, he was a gentleman in the beginning. I was like, well, now he's flipping out in the car.
Put the window on the air, bro. I can't breathe. Please, bro. I'm serious, man. I can't breathe, bro. I'm about to pass out, man. Why you doing this, bro?
What, you want an ambulance?
At least the window. Yo, I don't want to pass out.
You want an ambulance?
Oh, the window, a little crack and a little, man. Like, for real, man. This is a box.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No problem.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
They're killing me here, man. I can't breathe. This is a box.
You want an ambulance?
Holy shit. Oh,
6 Charlie
thank
Central.
you, sir. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm standing the charges, bro. I'm kidnapped right now as we speak. As we speak, they just kidnapped me. They was about to kill me by suffocating me over here. He said I'm detained. Am I still detained, sir? Sir, am I still detained? No explanation. Keep doing it his way. Great. Okay. And I'm not deaf. That's all right. We're going to speak loud. You got to get on there. No problem with that. Leave down. Oh, he gonna break my shit too. I got it. Oh shit! What the fuck?
Spring?
Okay, you're spring, bro. Yo, you squeeze it.
Okay, well, shoes off.
The gloves on, you're gonna stick his fingers up my booty now. Wait for this.
Okay.
Don't I have a phone call, sir? Do I have a phone call? Sir, do I have a phone call? So you're not gonna answer me?
I don't have to.
You don't have to answer me.
Right now, I don't have to.
Do I have a phone call? Do I have a right to a phone call?
You know, it's amazing how much you think you actually know.
When am I gonna get my phone call? When am I gonna get my phone call? When do I get my phone call? Yo, I'm talking to you, G. When am I gonna get my phone call? You're not gonna answer, right? Yo! Yo!
You're not going to get anywhere with that.
I'm not gonna get what? I'm gonna flood the toilet if you don't tell me when I'm gonna get my phone call. I'm gonna flood this shit right now. You're not gonna tell me when I'm gonna get my phone call, nigga? When am I gonna get my phone call? I just need a phone call, bro. Don't worry about the rest.
Where are your kids?
I just need a phone call.
Yeah, where are your kids?
Where are my kids? And you say I gotta wait for the supervisor? Call the supervisor.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. Him over here so we can see it, so the people can see what the fuck they doing to me, bro.
I'm gonna read you the rights. You just answer yes or no.
You should have read that before you put me in the car, but do you think? You heard now you're gonna read my rights. You're gonna read me my rights for what?
Well, delay again.
Okay, for what you gonna read? You gonna question me?
Yeah, delay again.
No. I refuse.
Okay, you want to refuse?
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent, and you.
Oh, word? That's too late for that, bro. It's too late for that. You already asked me a whole bunch of questions in the car and over there. That's too late. No, I should have known my rights before you violated them, sir. I don't want to hear it. Yeah. Too late. Prosecution. He wants to read me my rights after I'm in here. He already questioned me. He already investigated me. He already violated my rights. And now he's going to tell me about my rights. You should have told me that before you arrested me. Oh, you're doing it backwards.
I'm sorry.
You should have done that before.
I forgot how to do this. So, okay.
You know you're on camera, right?
So refuse it.
You know you're on camera, right?
Refusing?
You forgot how to do this?
Yes or no?
You say you forgot how to do this? He said I'm refusing to listen to him reading my Miranda rights. That's a new charge.
That's one of the suicide prevention screen.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Do you lack support of family and friends in the community?
Yo, leave me the fuck alone, bro.
Alright. Have you experienced any loss or in the last 6 months, relationship, job?
Yo, how old is this guy, bro? How old is he, bro? If I tell you I plead the fifth, why you keep harassing me, bro? Why you harassing me?
I'm just following what she
Stop harassing me, bro. Leave me alone. I told you I'm gonna plead the fifth and you still harassing me, bro. Leave me alone. Please let him know that if nobody breaks the law, there's no need to identify, man. Relax, bro. And I will know trespassing. And if I'm trespassing, you warn me. Yo, why is he messing with my camera, bro? What is he doing, sir?
I need the serial number.
What serial number? Stop playing with me, man. Don't fuck with it, bro. You're gonna fuck it up, bro. You're not no technician to be opening my camera up, bro. Look, he's an officer, my place of the law. You heard? Bribing me and shit like that, you know what I mean? Stop playing with it, bro. Yo, where the sandwiches at, bro? You won't keep me here for 6 hours. You gotta feed me, bro. What are you doing, bro? Where the sandwiches at? I need a bologna sandwich with mayo and ketchup and an apple juice. If you're gonna keep me here, bro, you try to fucking kill me by fucking putting me in the heat. Now you're gonna kill me by starving me, bro? I need food. Food. I'm asking for food. Where the food at? Peter, I'm hungry. Starvation, torture. Peter, there's no toilet paper here. I need toilet paper. Yo, I need toilet paper. Somebody. Peter, you're in charge. I need toilet paper. Yo, I need toilet paper. Yo, I need toilet paper, bro. Peter, I need toilet paper. You don't give a fuck? You gonna make me take a shit on the floor, bro. I need toilet paper, bro. I need to take a mean shit, bro. Peter, I need toilet paper. Peter, you not gonna give me toilet paper? We're about to start protesting for toilet paper here. Just laughing. You heard? Sticking their middle finger out at me. That's crazy. That's the craziest shit. You heard me? They sticking their middle fingers at me because I need toilet paper. Toilet paper! Toilet paper! Toilet paper! Toilet paper, please! This motherfucker.
911, fire, police, or ambulance.